back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be part-time, non-phone. It is dealing in accounts payable. We're going to dive all in, but first I just quickly want to ask that whether or not this job lead is for you, if you think it might be helpful to someone, if you enjoy these job leads, please like and share these videos. Get them out so that the correct person that is perfect for this job can find this job lead and apply. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company Upstream USA. They only have 43 reviews on Glassdoor, so please make sure you're doing your own research on this company before giving them your personal information. The links to all the pages I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Out of the 43 reviews, though, they do have a very high rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars. They're hiring a part-time accounts payable clerk. Now, this is a contractor temporary position. It is for 3 to 6 months, but they are paying very well. They're paying anywhere from $20 to $30 an hour. Now, Upstream is a nonprofit organization working to expand the opportunity to reduce unplanned pregnancy across the United States. They're trying to help patients get the contraceptive needs and care that they need. They are hiring somebody to do the day-to-day accounts payable function. So you'll basically be performing the initial review of the vendor payable request for completeness of the documentation, coding, and compliance with Upstream's policies. Internally, you'll discuss any questions of missing information with the staff accountant. You'll complete the initial coding in the accounts payable software or application for the staff accountant's review. You'll update any vendor W-9 or ACH documentation in the accounts payable application, and you'll file that documentation in the accounting files. You'll maintain the tickler of outstanding vendor payables questions and communicate the status with the staff accountant that is on staff. So completely non-phone other than internally talking to the accountant. You don't have to be an accountant, though. That is the good thing about this job. No college degree is required, just a high school diploma or GED. They are looking for somebody who has 2 years of some kind of accounts payable experience. It is a plus if you have nonprofit experience, but that is not required. They do want somebody who has experience using some kind of accounting software system or reporting system, someone who has great attention to detail, who has great interpersonal skills, and a strong work ethic. They also say they want a sense of humor and affability. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, if this job lead was not for you, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.